As our globalized world becomes more interconnected, the exploration of different cuisines has become an enriching and rewarding endeavor for individuals seeking to broaden their cultural horizons. Culinary diversity is a reflection of the rich tapestry of human traditions, history, and geographical influences. In this journey of culinary discovery, we traverse the continents, immersing ourselves in the unique flavors, aromas, and techniques that define each region's gastronomic identity. Asia, with its vast expanse and varied landscapes, boasts a plethora of distinct culinary traditions. From the intricate flavors of Japanese sushi to the bold and spicy profiles of Indian curries, each country in this diverse continent offers a culinary adventure of its own. Chinese cuisine, renowned for its regional variations, introduces us to the delicate balance of sweet and savory flavors, while Thai cuisine tantalizes the taste buds with its harmonious blend of herbs and spices. Exploring the street food markets of Vietnam, or the traditional tea ceremonies of China provides a window into the heart of Asian culinary craftsmanship. Venturing into the Middle East, we encounter a fusion of flavors deeply rooted in history and tradition. Arabian cuisine, characterized by the use of aromatic spices such as cumin, coriander, and saffron, presents a symphony of tastes that capture the essence of the region. From the succulent kebabs of Turkey to the fragrant rice dishes of Iran, Middle Eastern cuisine celebrates a harmonious marriage of ingredients, reflecting the cultural diversity that has shaped this part of the world for centuries. Europe, with its rich tapestry of cultures, has long been a melting pot of culinary innovation. French cuisine, often regarded as the epitome of gastronomic excellence, showcases meticulous techniques and a reverence for fresh, high-quality ingredients. Italian cuisine, rooted in simplicity and the celebration of local produce, offers a comforting embrace through dishes like pasta and pizza. The hearty flavors of German sausages and the delicate pastries of Austria contribute to the mosaic of European culinary delights. Crossing the Atlantic, we delve into the vibrant and diverse world of the Americas. Latin American cuisine, with its bold and zesty flavors, introduces us to the magic of ingredients like chili peppers, cilantro, and lime. From the spicy dishes of Mexico to the nuanced flavors of Peruvian ceviche, the culinary landscape of the Americas reflects the bounty of the land and the cultural amalgamation that has shaped its cuisine. North American comfort foods, such as burgers and fries, showcase a different facet of culinary creativity, with a focus on indulgence and familiarity. Africa, with its vast and varied landscapes, boasts a culinary tapestry as diverse as its people. From the aromatic tagines of Morocco to the spicy stews of West Africa, the continent's cuisine reflects the abundance of locally sourced ingredients and a deep connection to cultural heritage. The use of bold spices and the art of slow cooking are common threads that tie together the varied culinary traditions across the African continent. In our exploration of different cuisines, we also encounter the rising trend of fusion cuisine, where chefs draw inspiration from various culinary traditions to create innovative and exciting dishes. The blending of flavors and techniques from different parts of the world leads to a culinary experience that transcends geographical boundaries, showcasing the interconnectedness of global food culture. As we embark on this culinary odyssey, it becomes evident that exploring different cuisines is not merely about tasting diverse flavors, but understanding the cultural, historical, and social contexts that have shaped these culinary traditions. Food is a universal language that transcends borders, connecting us to the shared human experience of sustenance, celebration, and communal joy. Beyond the sensory pleasure of tasting new dishes, exploring different cuisines fosters an appreciation for the artistry and craftsmanship involved in creating a meal. It encourages us to step out of our culinary comfort zones, embrace new ingredients, and savor the delightful surprises that come with each bite. In doing so, we not only expand our palates but also cultivate a deeper understanding and respect for the cultural diversity that defines our global community. In conclusion, the exploration of different cuisines is a journey of discovery that goes beyond the realm of taste. It is a celebration of cultural richness, a testament to human creativity, and a bridge that connects us to the shared heritage of humanity. So, let us embark on this gastronomic adventure with open minds and eager palates, ready to savor the world's culinary treasures and, in doing so, enrich our lives with the flavors of diverse cultures.